after A, B, C, D, E. So D is danger. So in the danger box, we're going to begin with fashion. I'm wearing my uniform, I've got my boots, gloves, mask. Do I need eye protection? And if we're going out onto a road, a high vis. And if we're going in a car crash, we'll need a helmet. Then fashion isn't complete without accessorizing. So I'm going to take my first response kit or my RAPPE kit, my monitor, my crew partner will have suction and oxygen, and I'll carry my radio just in case I need help. Fashion, accessories, PPE. So P for patient. Is my patient violent and aggressive? P for people I want. Do I need police? Do I need fire? How far away is backup if I need a call? And are there any helpful bystanders or family members that I can talk to? And then people I don't want, violent or aggressive bystanders, big crowds of people who are going to get in the way. And then PPE, E for environment. So environment, start nice and wide. So time of day, weather, lighting conditions. Then we come a bit closer. What scene are we arriving at? Is it a suburban home? Is it a large apartment complex? Is it a field, a school? And what hazards may be associated with each of those? And then, do we have good access and egress? Then we come closer again and we're looking around the scene at our patient. So do we have enough room? Are there any hazards around there? Guns, broken glass, fallen power lines, whatever's appropriate to your scene. Okay, that's the D box.